Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to remove unwanted objects from your photos using Google AI Studio. This is perfect if you want to clean up your pictures or make them look more professional. First, go to aistudio.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create Image or Edit Image. Now upload the photo you want to fix. After the image loads, select the Edit option and choose Remove Objects. With your finger or mouse, highlight the object you want to erase. For example, a random person in the background or a distracting item. Next, click Generate. The AI will process your photo and fill in the highlighted area naturally, blending it with the background. If the result isn't perfect, just refine the selection or run it again until it looks right. When you're happy with the result, hit Download to save your clean photo. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can remove unwanted objects and make your photos look flawless using Google AI Studio. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tips, and I'll see you in the next one.